All right, it is Saturday, November 15th, I believe. We're getting out late in the day. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but we're gonna try to get some live bait, and then maybe do an overnight trip out the floaters, looking for some tuna. That's something we don't want to see, but we'll see you out there. It's just a family trip. We got the kids and the wife, and let's see what happens. Hopefully we can catch some fish, but it's a beautiful day. But yeah, we're trying to get out early this morning. We had to do some stuff for my mother, so it took us a lot longer to get out here than we thought. But either way, good day. Beautiful living in Pascagoula, living in Biloxi.
Hey Dad, you gotta wait.
Down there, George.
Well, I know that.
No, I do not, George.
Are you trying to?
I'm trying to get it fixed, yes sir.
Yeah.
I think this is the smoothest I've ever seen it out here.
Yeah, it's pretty slick.
I say that, and then like,
Yeah, way to jinx us.
it's gonna be like, oh yeah, you want to see what I got?
And trying to get bait is the hardest part of all this stuff.
No, the hardest part is if you do get hooked up. 3 hours later.
So all the zabikis so far have been broken and broke off, and I think we got like what, 6 or 7 bait so far. What the heck happened? I just want to tie on this sabiki.
Watch out, Charles.
All right. Watch out, buddy. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Streamer? Nope, a bunch of them came off.
Well, that's fine. Just pull them up in the boat. Pull them up into the boat and drop them down. Ah, don't throw them at me.
I just got splashed.
Put your rod up, George.
Oh, that itty bitty one is gonna be perfect.
Come
That
on.
guy's bloody. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Here, honey. Hold on. Okay, just bring them in, put them on the boat, and I'll get them. Okay, so grab the swivel, and I gotta wait for you. Here's a weight for you. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
The new Suzuki,
I know.
Snagged the guy that.
I got it. Maybe the
Hey Dad, there's a people carrying that.
yeah, there's one right behind you. Did you eat it again?
Huh?
Did he eat it again?
No, it snagged him in the tail.
Watch my net. don't even know if you can fix that. Well, hold on.
Fix that. Say, where's the weight?
It's in my hand.
Oh. Yeah, this is
Okay.
fit one of my fingers.
Come on, reel. Reel. Come on. Reel. Got it?
Yeah.
Let me, oh, that's something got it. Let me get it. Something big got it. Well, that's not a tight and drag situation. That is a something big just got a hold of everything.
I say red snapper.
Yeah, I'm gonna say red snapper too. Oh goodness. Well, that's something big.
Yeah, probably the fish that's been eating our lures. Hey, Dad.
And we're off. Bait's getting tough, but we're getting them. Bait's getting tough, but we are getting them.
We have chicken nuggets, we got Lunchables.
Yeah, he's got a Lunchable over there for sure. You got a Lunchable? Okay. I mean, we need bait. Well, Amy's dancing, but we need bait. We got kids, we got some snack in us, got a potty break, and we're about to head south.
Are you going home?
No, we'll go fish. We're on the way out. Well, we are at the Ram Pal at night. There's one other boat out here with us. Looks like a contender. I'm jealous. We're just going around looking to mark some fish and start dropping some jigs. So hopefully we can catch a fish, right? Isn't that right? Want to catch a fish? Now we're seeing some marks at about 250. It's time to drop something, see if we can get it. Go ahead, George. Here, take this. Fish with this while I set up another one.
Here, Charles, come here, buddy.
Now I'm gonna set it down. That's some good marks.
Oh, yeah. That's still going?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, we got a long way to go. About 200 feet.
Look, what about 1 mile down, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is 1 mile down water.
Well, hopefully we can get us at least a blackfin.
We're getting nothing.
Just nothing. You could be working on that oil rig, and you know what? They're stranded there until somebody comes back to get them. You know that? Either by boat or helicopter.
They have like a one.
They're working right now. That's where they work. And they don't get not while they're out here. They could be out here for a week at a time, 2 weeks, a month.
There you go, Charleston.
A year.
I'm gonna put the clicker on. We'll put the clicker on, and if it starts taking off, you start reeling, okay? What's wrong, George?
No. Mom's like, are you on?
Well, you were like leaning over. I guess I should know you'd be screaming.
Now when it comes to tuning, you should know when the...
You gonna reel? Go ahead and reel. Come on. Okay, go ahead. Hope you're gonna get something, maybe. Go ahead and reel. Reel, reel, reel. You want me to do it? You good? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Do it right there. Do it right there. You're all by yourself? See if he comes back for it. Dropping jigs, low jigs. Yeah, gotta charge it up again.
What the? Oh, he's working a good bit now.
Huh?
He's working a good bit now.
He's blowing now. You gonna get something, John Ryan? Hope so. Got marks. We definitely got marks. The Brian Box method of fishing is sticking a rod holder. Not hit the boat, George. All right. Remember, I got a line over here too, George, so stay. Yep. Well, we got lights behind the boat.
I saw those two busted behind the boat.
Oh, let me get the big thick reel on. I might have got barracudaed. My live bait doesn't feel like he's on anymore. Oh, he's still there. He's still there. Do something for me there, Mr. Bait. Nice bird's nest. Okay, so Charleston, you got a live bait on?
Yeah.
And hopefully it gets something.
Man, there's some.
Hey George, be careful where you're casting. You got stuff right around you. If we got to move everything, we will.
Man, these blackfish.
Head into the next rig. Try to find something. Struck out the ramp out, didn't get nothing. Typical Noah, lying to her teeth. We're getting our asses kicked coming back. Big winds. Washing machine. Hey everybody, it's John. I didn't do an exit yesterday because quite frankly it got pretty rough offshore when we were out there fishing. We decided to come on in once the kids started getting sick. It's 1:32 o'clock in the morning and it just started getting rougher and rougher and rougher. Winds blowing. It's like a washing machine for about 75 miles on the way in. You know, Sea Pro did her job, kept us safe. Everybody was soaking wet. We were taking water over the bow and you know, from the quartering seat also. But end of the day, we all got home safe. We were exhausted. We were filthy. Had salt built up underneath our eyelids. But we didn't really get to fish much. It was like a long run out. We caught a bunch of good bait and marked some fish, but didn't get any bites. But once the kids started getting sick, we realized it was kind of time to go home, and I'm kind of glad we did, because if we'd have stayed longer, it probably would have gotten rougher and rougher and rougher. But either way, we're gonna do it again because we love it. So like, subscribe, comment, and we'll talk to you next time.